What are you doing that for?
I don't know.
Alright, come on, do the video, nerd.
Okay, so day 22. If you saw the last video, it was day 21. Now today's 22. Two. I hold up 3 fingers. 2. 2.
You want to tell everybody what tomorrow is?
Tomorrow is Jiu-Jitsu.
Yes.
Tomorrow is the 23rd day.
Oh, show everybody your shoes.
The glow. Yeah. And guess what today is?
What's today?
Guess.
I know what day it is.
What?
It's Monday.
But also,
It's not yesterday.
it is yesterday.
It's not yesterday.
Yes, it is.
Whoa.
Oh, jeez.
That bird is sounding like a helicopter. I think it really was a helicopter spying on us.
Do you love our pink tails? Dad has pink tails secretly on too.
Yeah, I do.
You can make a man bun with your hair, Dad.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can make a man bun.
Alright, be careful.
You look ridiculous.
You look ridiculous.
You look ridiculous.
You look super cute.
You look ridiculous. You have bedhead.
So, I'm going back to bed.
Okay, you actually got me on that one. But make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. And I just said that in a dramatic way, but please do subscribe to my channel and hit that big like button. That's all I need.
Alright, we done?
No,
Oh, you want to keep doing the video?
I want to get to my home first.
Oh, okay.
My home is my home.
Yeah.
And subscribe to my home.
Subscribe to the bus stop?
Yeah,
I don't think they can. I don't think it has a YouTube channel.
it does. Everything has a YouTube channel. Your face has a YouTube channel. Your butt has a YouTube channel. That lantern has a YouTube channel. That tree has a YouTube channel. What I'm stepping on right now has a YouTube channel. My feet have a YouTube channel. My shoes have a YouTube channel. My face has a YouTube channel.
Okay, well, your face does have a YouTube channel, but that's about it.
Because I put my face on my YouTube channel.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So, do you know what your special area is today?
Library.
Library?
Yeah, because last day I went to computer lab.
Oh, okay.
Which you were wrong about because you said we were going to the library.
No, I didn't say you were definitely going to the library. I said that it was Friday and there was only 5 days. You told me that there were 6 days of school.
Yeah.
And that it wasn't Friday yet.
Today's library. If I got myself correctly.
Okay.
After special area, I eat snacks. My dad tried to make me a banana for snacks when I eat packed snacks.
Yeah, how dare I?
Good.
What?
What?
So, let me ask you
What?
this question.
What?
Do you think that that was a bird or a spy helicopter?
A bird.
Really? I thought it was a spy helicopter.
I think it's a bat.
A bat?
A bat.
What if it was a spy bat?
No,
Wait, what? No,
that's not real.
it's not real.
It's not real.
Megaman has robot bats.
No, he doesn't.
Yeah, you fight the robot bats in Megaman.
No. making stuff up.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
Yeah. You still tired a little bit?
No, I'm just rubbing my eyes.
Because you're
For no
tired.
reason.
Are you smarting me?
Yes. I'm smarting my father.
Don't smart me. Not nice. Alright, when we stop right here, we'll kind of look a little bit. Stop right here and kind of look, just to make sure no one's coming this way. Alright, you can come on.
I don't see anything. You're safe, so I'm safe. I didn't get over.
Oh, did you tell everybody about the library book you read?
Give the pug.
Yeah, it's on your YouTube channel. They can go watch it right now.
Yay! I want to make merch.
What?
I want to make merch.
Merch? Oh, well, we'll have to see about that.
Ow! 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 Ow!
Okay.
I scratched my leg.
Oh, you're right?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm at my home. Yay! Wait. Can you flash the light over here? Oh, I scratched myself actually bad.
That's not bad. I mean, it's a scratch. You can definitely see it, but you didn't break the skin, I don't think.
There's red on my skin.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna be standing on this rock waiting for the bus.
Oh, it should be here in just a minute. It's hot this morning, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's normally a little chilly, but it's real hot today.
I have a feeling it's gonna be hot in my school today. Ooh!
It might be. You might want to drink a lot of water today, okay?
Why?
So you don't overheat.
They don't have water at the cafeteria anyways.
But they have water in the water fountains.
Yeah, but I don't go drink in the water fountain.
But you can.
Ow! You made me fall off.
Oh, there I.
That looks like a fortune cookie.
A what?
A fortune cookie.
It does kind of look like a fortune cookie.
The little crab.
I see, yeah. Mm-hmm.
And it looks like a fortune cookie and a heart.
Yeah, it does. So you excited about jiu-jitsu tomorrow?
Yes.
Okay. All right, you want to tell everybody goodbye?
No.
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 What are we waiting on now? You ain't saying nothing?
We're waiting on the bus.
Well, duh, we're at the bus stop.
Yeah.
You're not saying anything.
I'm gonna poke a stick in the sewers.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
Today's yesterday.
You poke a stick in the sewer?
Yes.
I guess. What if there's killer clowns in there?
I'm waiting for this one.
Okay. Wait! What if there's an alligator in there?
There's not.
What if it's a killer clown?
There's not. Why would silly Pennywise come through that?
Yeah,
I
that'd be
don't
pretty
even
silly.
believe in Pennywise.
Yeah.
I don't believe in him. You shouldn't either. You're a chicken.
I'm not chicken.
You're a chicken.
No, I've never been chicken.
You're a chicken.
What?
Yeah, you're a chicken.
You're the chicken.
You're a chicken.
You're the chicken.
You're the chicken.
No way, Jose.
Yes, I am.
No to the way, to the ho, to the zay.
Okay, well, I'll put you on my bathroom monitor list again.
You put me on the bathroom monitor list?
Yeah.
But I don't even go to your school, and I'm a boy. I think that's the bus. Or it could be that spy helicopter again.
My best thermometer list has your name on it.
You fiend.
I put your name on it. Look. D-A-D.
You fiend. What are you doing? What's that? That's awfully loud. It's the bus.
Bye.
I love you, pumpkin.
Subscribe to my channel. Leave a like.
Bye, you little shit.
Bye. Bye.
Love you, baby.